Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for June 16th to 28th. I did a test run of these maps. I have so many maps loaded, and it seemed like it went well. So hopefully I could do this video without any technical problems. But right now we're going to look at the period for the 16th to the 20th, and this is the 16th. And most of the models here are showing a ridge here, trough, and a ridge over eastern Canada into the northeast. We're here looking at the GFS. This is the European deterministics and the European ensembles. Other map I want to look at this is the, let me see if I can get this up. This is, okay, I can't get the this is what's going to load is the GEFS. Okay, it'll soon load. Okay, this is a GEFS. Okay, what we're looking now here, this is on the 15th, and we still have a ridge, a trough, and a ridge. All the models are in agreement with this. What I want to show you is the climate forecast system. Let's see, is it the one I want? Okay, this is it. The climate forecast system is less amplified. We have a weaker trough with more of a southwesterly flow here across the east central U.S. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures for this region. For precipitation, I'm generally calling for below normal precipitation. I'm going by persistence. The way the pattern's been, because none of the models can't come together on any one solution. Some are saying below, some are saying below over here, some have it above over in the east. But right now I'm going with below normal for this region. Next, we're going to look at the period for June 19th to the 23rd. June 19th. Okay, this is a GFS. GFS is still showing a ridge here, trough, and a ridge. Now we're looking at the deterministics. And it still shows pretty much the same thing, and that's European ensembles. Now, one thing to note, the climate forecast system. If I go back to the climate forecast system, for this period, is showing generally a zone of flow, and it continues to deviate from the rest of the models. This shows a zone of flow across much of the nation. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting generally the same thing. I'm forecasting below normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures for this region for precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation for this region, and going with the same thinking for the rest of the nation here. Next, we're going to look at the period now for March 24th to the 28th. Go back to the models. Here we are on the 24th. Now, one thing to note here that the models continue to diverge on several solutions here, and I'm going to go through time. I'm going to show you this. The GFS has a ridge here where before it had a trough. And we have a trough here in the east. So this is where the models are differing. This is the deterministics. Same thing. I have a ridge here off the west coast, a ridge in the east, and we'll look at the you see the European deterministics. Okay, this is European deterministics, and we go. Let's see. And we'll put it through time, and we're going to stop in a little bit. Deterministics has a trough here off the west coast. This is on the 23rd, a weak ridge here in the center of the nation, and a trough in the east. So you can see all these different forecasts. Now, for the climate forecast systems for this period, again, has a zone of flow. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting just above normal temperatures here, near normal elsewhere, and for precipitation, you guessed it, still forecasting below normal precipitation for this area. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion for June 16th to 28th. Thank you for coming, Jim, on this World of Weather, and have a good day.